Does your bathtub look worn out? Maybe it's stained, scratched, chipped, or just showing its age. So now we're facing a common bathroom remodeling question. Should you reglaze your bathtub or replace it completely? At first glance, reglazing kind of sounds like the obvious choice. It's typically less expensive, faster, and doesn't require tearing apart your bathroom, but is it actually the best long-term solution? I'm Sam Gibson, factory design consultant here at Joyce. In this video, we're going to break down the pros and the cons of both options so you can decide what's right for your home. Let's start with reglazing first. Bathtub reglazing, sometimes called refinishing, involves stripping away the old finish, repairing surface damage, and applying a new coating to make the tub look fresh and updated. One of the biggest advantages is cost. Reglazing is generally more affordable than replacing the entire bathtub. It's also a relatively quick process, often taking just a few days from start to finish. And because you're keeping your existing tub, there's no demolition or major construction involved. On the other hand, for homeowners looking for a cosmetic refresh, those benefits can be very appealing. But there are some important trade-offs to take note of. Reglazing is generally considered a temporary solution, and over time, the new finish can begin to peel, chip, or crack, especially if it isn't properly maintained. In many cases, homeowners can expect the finish to last around 3 to 5 years before signs of wear begin to appear. You'll also need to be careful with your cleaning products and accessories. Certain cleaners, bath mats, and prolonged moisture exposure can damage the refinished surface. And because the process involves strong chemicals and fumes, professional installation is highly recommended. Now let's look at the bathtub replacement. Unlike reglazing, replacement means removing the old tub and installing a completely new one. Yes, the upfront investment is typically higher, but replacement offers something reglazing cannot. It offers a long-term solution. A new bathtub can last for decades with proper care, and it gives you the opportunity to upgrade your bathroom in ways that simply aren't possible with refinishing. Maybe you'd like a deeper soaking tub, maybe you want a more modern style, or maybe you're just considering accessibility features that make the bathroom safer and more comfortable to use. And the replacement gives you those options. Another benefit is durability. With a new bathtub, you don't have to worry about a surface coating, peeling, or chipping years down the road. Modern bathtub materials are designed to be low maintenance, built for everyday use. So, which option is right for you? If you're looking for the lowest cost way to improve the appearance of your existing tub, and you're comfortable with a shorter term solution, reglazing may make sense in that situation. But on the other hand, if you're planning a larger bathroom update, want lasting performance, or are just ready to upgrade your tub's style, comfort, or functionality, replacement is often the better long-term investment. So at the end of the day, the right choice depends on your budget, your goals, and how long you plan to stay in your home. But understanding the pros and cons of each option can help you make a decision you'll be happy with for years to come. Thinking about a bathroom refresh? Visit joycefactorydirect.com today and use our bath cost calculator to get a fast, easy estimate and start planning your upgrade today.